need to cancel my Netflix subscription, but it's not working on Google Pay. Let me search for Netflix customer care.
Hello, this is Netflix customer support. How may I help you?
Hi. I want to cancel my subscription, but I can't do it through Google Pay.
No worry. Our technical team will assist you in a few minutes. You'll receive a WhatsApp message soon. Hello, sir. For security reasons, we use system-generated video calls. You won't see my face, but I can see your phone's background.
Okay. What do I need to do?
Please install RustDesk from the Play Store. This helps our technical team check your bank details and process the refund.
Oh, 19,985 rupees debited from my account. What just happened?
Oh, sir, that was a mistake. Don't worry, we will refund it soon.
Neha, I think I've been scammed. 19,985 rupees just vanished from my account.
Wait, tell me everything. Ravi, you let a stranger control your phone. RustDesk is a remote access app. Scammers use it to steal money.
Oh no, what do I do now?
This is a remote access scam. Your phone was hacked the moment you installed RustDesk. We need to act fast.
I'll never trust random customer care numbers again.
And never install remote access apps unless you're 100% sure.
Thanks and Netflix. Never ask you to install apps like RustDesk. If someone asks for remote access, it's a scam. Always verify official customer care numbers from the official website.